Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics PUMP ASSY-DRAIN part #AHA75673404. The LG Electronics PUMP ASSY-DRAIN part #AHA75673404 is a replacement part for LG washing machines. It is a pump assembly that helps to drain the water from the washing machine. The pump assembly consists of a motor, impeller, and housing. The motor is responsible for powering the impeller, which creates suction to draw water out of the machine. The housing holds all of the components together and prevents any leaks or damage to the internal components. This part is designed to be used with specific LG washing machines and should not be used with any OT. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty or damaged drain pump assembly in LG washing machines. It can fix symptoms such as the washer not draining, leaking water, or making loud noises during the drain cycle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the drain hose from the existing pump assembly. 3. Remove the mounting screws from the existing pump assembly and remove it from the appliance. 4. Place the new LG Electronics PUMP ASSY-DRAIN part #AHA75673404 into position and secure it with the mounting screws provided with the new part. 5. Reconnect the drain hose to the new pump assembly and turn on the power to the appliance. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.